Alright, so this is going to be a video of me upgrading the RAM in my PC. And here's the RAM I got off Newegg.com. There's two 1GB sticks, so I'll have 2 gigs total. Again, the site is Newegg, Newegg.com. They have great prices. There's 2 gigs of RAM here I got for $16, so it was a very good deal. Shipping was a little slow, but I'm sure it varies from where you live and everything. So it's just going to be a video of me installing it in this computer. So I guess first, I'm going to just open up the packaging here. It's a very awkward angle, so sorry if I don't get everything in the frame quite right. Okay, there's 1 and 2. Okay, here's one RAM, 1 gig, and the other RAM stick. Alright, so I'm just going to set those over here for now. And so you guys can see this a little better, I'm going to take out my IDE cables from my optical and hard drive. So here's one. And the other. Alright, so now the RAM is right here. Let's see if I can get my big old fingers out of the way. Right here, here's 2 sticks. I'm trying to get this power cord out of your way too. Okay. So now you have a clear view of the RAM. And so what you do, this is pretty much universal for any machine, is there's 2 little tabs here on each stick. You just push both those down and the RAM will pop up. You can see here, this is a 5 to 12 megabyte stick. And it does suck with this computer because I only have 2 RAM slots. So I won't be able to use these, so I'm just going to give them to my dad because he would always love more RAM. So there's one stick, and there's the other stick. Alright, so now to put in the new RAM, basically the same exact thing. All you do is you take the stick, make sure it's facing the same way, make sure it's in the groove, and just push down. And you'll see, I don't know if you can see very well, but those tabs, they just pop back up. So that's when you know it's in right, is when it's nice and snug. And so you just do the same thing with the other one. Let's see if alright, one's in, and there's the other. Alright, so then you just want to push it down a few more times just to make sure they're in right. And there we go. That's all you have to do. And so, like I said, if I have like 4 RAM slots, they would just be in a line. So here's 1 gig of RAM, and now 2. So just gotta plug in all your power and IDE cables again. It's the hard drive. Here's the IDE for the optical. Sorry if you're getting a good view of my arm here. It's kind of hard to do. Just make sure all those are in nice and snug. And I think it would help if it was in the right way. Okay. And then put that back on. And that looks like we're good.